this video, we'll explore selection masks and how they can simplify our workflow by allowing us to easily hide and reveal different parts of our model. If we want to focus specifically on the fingers of a hand, it's practical to hide the rest of the body temporarily to better concentrate on the finer details. For that, hold down the Ctrl and Shift keys and drag the selection mask with the left mouse button on the stage. To invert the current selection, hold down the Ctrl and Shift keys and draw a small rectangle in an empty area of the stage. We also have the option to hide areas by holding down the Shift, Ctrl and Alt keys, while dragging a red mask with the left mouse button across the screen. We can also invert the selection here. To deselect, hold Ctrl and Shift, then click the left mouse button in an empty area of the stage. We can also change the shape of the selection mask. That's done by holding down Ctrl and Shift and then choosing a different shape from the top left corner here. You can effortlessly select a perfect circular mask in this area, or a curve, or the lasso tool. In the next video, we'll explore deformers.